So this is the kind of garden space na ang daming, or ang laki ng potential rather. Bahala na kung anong gagawin nyo dito, basta you're given this amount of space. And by the way, this is a brand new house and lot here in Parañaque. So again, possibilities are limitless. We have a brand spanking new house and lot for sale here in Parañaque. Sobrang bago niya, may construction materials pa. So over here on the left side, we have your vehicle driveway as well as your carport, which can fit 3 vehicles comfortably. And then you have a pedestrian gate over there on the center portion, and then mostly garden on the right side. But once you enter, you have more garden space. You have a nice little planter box over here, a few steps leading up to the main stairs, and then a garden at the far right corner facing the house. And then here on the left, you have a side gate which will lead you to your service area, which we'll get to later. But for now, let's go to the main entrance. So you also have a sliding glass door here from, obviously, spoiler alert, bedroom number 1, right? So if ever, maganda siyang office kasi siya yung unang bumabate from the entrance. Okay. So again, super brand new. Although may mga furniture nang nakalagay for scale. Wala pang doorknob. But this is your main entrance. Solid wooden door. And then, bahala na kung ano yung ilalagay na doorknob. Either it's digital or, or hindi. Okay, so upon entering, you have a door to your right. And here we have bedroom number 1, as I mentioned earlier. So you have a decent amount of space for a queen-size bed. Actually, kasha naman. Although, mas maganda kung single if you want more floor space. You have a desk. Or, again, as I mentioned earlier, you can turn it into an office. You have high ceiling, and then you have pin lights. Tapos may abang for a central lighting if you want. And then you have your built-in wardrobe over here. And an ensuite toilet and bath with a pocket sliding door over here. So you have your sink, your toilet, and then your partially enclosed shower area. Although ito lang talaga yung glass panel. So, ingat na lang when you do shower, you are probably going to get some areas wet unless you we'll put a curtain or something. Makadikit kasi yung plastic dun sa ilaw. Again, very new. Okay, so this one also acts as your guest accessible toilet and bath from the hallway. Okay, so just a few steps in and your main stairs is going to be on your right. And then you have double height high ceiling for your living area. Lots of natural light thanks to all of the fixed windows as well as the sliding glass doors and windows. Then over here for scale, you have a dining set to show you where your dining area is, which actually halata naman thanks to the ceiling design with the cove lighting. So obviously you're meant to have a chandelier over here, which is going to sit beautifully over or above your dining set. You can also open up this area from 2 walls so that you have an indoor-outdoor situation from your dining to your backyard. So if you were to entertain family and friends and you needed more space, you can extend it outside. And then over here, you have a large kitchen. Again, you have high ceiling, not quite as high as the living area, but this is very high ceiling. Lots of pin lights, bigger pin lights, in fact, for the kitchen. And then, ang daming abang for like your exhaust, etc. Okay, but now let's focus on the ground, which, by the way, has large cut tiles for the entire ground floor. Yeah. Okay, so here in the middle, you have an island counter with a waterfall countertop. You have space for a bar on this side or a breakfast nook all the way here. And then you have storage on this side. On the other side, this is where your stove goes, as well as your built-in microwave, oven, etc. And then on this side, you have your sink and provision for your refrigerator. Don't let the armrest fool you. You have more storage over here, and then another set of sliding glass doors that you can open up to your lanai. So your lanai basically it occupies half of the backyard. Again, that's just more garden space, but if you wanted it to be an extension of your dining area, I'm sure you can think of a lot of ways to customize your backyard. From your kitchen, you have a solid wooden door leading to your service area or your daily kitchen. Sorry, open space pala siya. So it's not, it looks like it's indoor, but it's not. It's outdoor, but it's very covered. So you have an L-shaped counter over here with a huge sink and then provision for a refrigerator. Sorry, Paul. And then you have staff quarters over here with an ensuite, toilet, and bath. And then this one leads to the side of the house where, again, your service area continues. So you have your tanks over here as well as provision for your laundry area. Your appliances are going to be partially covered, although not super pag sobrang lakas ng ulan. Dito mas covered though. And then again, you have that side gate coming from the 3-vehicle carport. Okay. So that is it for the ground floor. Let's now head up the second, but before that, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more of our listings here in Parañaque, make sure you let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future, invest with us, invest with Presello. Okay, so basically here on the second floor, you still have high ceiling, and then you have this open area, which is essentially your family area. So nice and bright and airy, lots of windows that you can open up for that fresh air, and obviously lots of light. Tapos meron na rin siyang kasamang screen. So for those of you wondering why these houses seem to look like they don't have screens, they do. It's just that they blend nicely with the rest of the window casing. Okay, so right next to your family area and near the main stairs is bedroom number 2. We're gonna count the one on the ground floor. So here we have bedroom number 2. This is the primary room. Again, just to have a high ceiling, lots of windows and sliding glass doors. Then you have a lot of space for a queen-sized bed. Actually, kasha pa nga king if you wanted, and then end tables on either side. You have space for a desk or an office area behind the camera, as well as over here if you wanted to. So there's lots of ways you can configure this room. And then you have double pocket sliding doors that lead to your walk-through closet / your ensuite toilet and bath with your toilet, your his and her sinks, and your partially enclosed shower space. And again, you have actually enclosed pala to na shower space kasi mukhang may hinge. So hindi pa lang nalalagay yung pinto. And then again, as I mentioned, you have balcony access here on the side. Now this room is at the front of the property. So now we're gonna head towards the rear portion. And very straightforward hallway, open hallway, very airy. Here you have bedroom number 3. So right now there's a single mattress over here, just to give you some scale. You have your built-in wardrobe over there, and again you have an ensuite toilet and bath right here. With your sink, your toilet, and your shower space. I'm gonna assume that this is enclosed or partially enclosed, hindi pa lang nakakabit yung glass. Obviously, again, very brand new. All of the rooms, by the way, have pin lights, and meron na rin siyang abang, just like this area, for a main lighting feature or fixture. So this is bedroom number 4. So again, plus space. This is at the corner of the property, back corner of the property. Kaya dalawa yung walls mo na may bintana. Again, you have an ensuite, very similar to the one that we saw earlier. And then in front of this room, we have bedroom number 5. So again, you have a built-in wardrobe, lots of windows, and then an ensuite toilet and bath with a different layout. This one's square. So you have your toilet, your shower space, and then your sink. Okay, so that is it. You have 2 floors essentially. So we are going to do a recap. You have 350 square meters of lot area and then 336.85 square meters of floor area split between 2 levels. 5 bedrooms, 5 toilet and baths, and a 3 to 4 vehicle carport depending on the cars that you have. Now that being said, before we go, make sure you watch these really nice B-rolls. Access to exclusive content, we have a YouTube membership channel. There are 3 tiers to that. You have Presello Fan, Presello Team, and Presello Fam. Top tier gets you access to exclusive content, exclusive shoutouts, and you get to hang out with us online when we are online. If you want to see more house tours, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more of our Build Your Owns or BYOs, click here. And if you want to see more of our other content, click right here. Also, if you haven't subscribed,